Here's a quick tutorial on how to give a free month to an existing subscription inside of Keap Max Classic. So first step is to find the contact record. So I will do a quick search here, find the contact record that I'm looking for. If you're in interactive view here, you can just click on orders. You'll find the subscriptions here and go ahead and click on the subscription. If you go all the way into the contact record, you can find it from here as well. Just scroll down to the second set of tabs, click on orders here, and then again scroll down to subscriptions. In this case I've got 2 active subscriptions. I will choose this one. Once I'm on the subscription, it's very easy. Go ahead and come over here to the right hand side, click on create credit. A little window will pop up and you can decide how many cycles you'd like to give credit for. So in this case it's a monthly membership. If I put 1 cycle in there and then hit save, it will give 1 credit, which is 1 month's worth. You can see here that the billing amount is $197. Actually in this case it's every day, it's been changed. But let's just say it's every month, every 1 month, they're going to get billed $197. And down here we can see that on the next billing cycle, it's going to give a credit of $197. So it won't charge their card automatically in this situation. It's going to apply this credit instead. And then after that credit has been used, it will resume to billing the credit card. Of course, if I want to give more than 1 credit, then I can change that number. Change that to a 3. So in this case, in the upcoming billing cycle, it will give a credit, and the following cycle, and the following cycle. So for 3 billing cycles, it's going to give credits. Once those credits are all used up, then it will resume billing on the credit card. So that's a quick and easy way to give a free month or more to an already existing subscription inside of Keap Max Classic.